Hello my dear friends. I hope you are all doing well. I'm here with another video. In this video, we will start with the most basic English words from level A1 and gradually move up to level C2 through several videos. The videos will be published daily. Each video will be a short lesson and will be categorized. Make sure to practice each lesson well. Rest assured, by the end of this series, your vocabulary will have grown amazingly. Stay with me. Animals. Animal. A living organism that feeds on organic matter and moves, typically not a human. The zoo has many animals. General term for non-human living organisms that move and consume organic material. Cat. A small, domesticated mammal known for its agility and independence, often kept as a pet. The cat chased the mouse. Used to describe the popular house pet or a wild feline species. Dog. A domesticated carnivorous mammal known for loyalty, often kept as a pet or for work. Her dog barked at the stranger. Refers to the common household pet or working animal. Horse. A large domesticated animal used for riding or work, known for its strength and speed. He rode a horse on the beach. Used for riding, racing, or farm work. Sheep. A domesticated animal kept for its wool and meat, typically grazing in fields. The farmer raised sheep for wool. Commonly raised livestock, known for producing wool and meat. Cow. A large domesticated animal kept for its milk, meat, and hides. The cow provides milk every day. Refers to cattle, often raised for milk and beef production. Pig. A domesticated animal raised for its meat, known as pork, often kept on farms. The pig rolled in the mud. Farm animal commonly raised for pork and other products. Lion. A large, wild cat found in Africa and Asia, known for its strength and mane. The lion is the king of the jungle. Wild feline known for its majestic appearance and role as a predator. Rabbit. A small, herbivorous mammal with long ears, known for its fast movement and burrowing. The rabbit hopped across the field. Used to describe the small, hopping mammal often kept as a pet. Mouse. A small rodent known for its quick movements, often considered a pest in homes. The mouse hid in the kitchen. Refers to the small rodent, often found in homes and fields. Snake. A legless reptile, some of which are venomous, known for its slithering movement. The snake slithered through the grass. Reptile known for its lack of legs and serpentine movement. Fish. A cold-blooded aquatic animal with gills, often kept in tanks or eaten as food. We caught a big fish at the lake. Aquatic animal, found in fresh or salt water, used for food or as a pet. Elephant. The largest land mammal, known for its long trunk and tusks, found in Africa and Asia. The elephant used its trunk to drink water. A large, intelligent mammal often found in wildlife reserves and zoos. Bird. A feathered vertebrate with wings, many of which are capable of flight. The bird flew across the sky. Used to describe any feathered animal, typically capable of flying. Chicken. A domesticated bird kept for its eggs and meat, commonly found on farms. We have chickens in our backyard. Refers to the bird often raised for food, including eggs and meat. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.